In this video, I will show you how you can switch back to a personal Instagram account if right now you have a business account. So I am on Instagram right now, and you just need to follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this short tutorial video. So step number 1 is to open the Instagram app on your phone. So once you open Instagram, you want to click on your profile. You want to go to your profile. This is one of my accounts. And then you want to click on the hamburger menu, the 3 lines at the top right corner. Then next up, you actually want to click on settings. And then right there, they will actually show you all of these different options. So just click on account, scroll down, and click switch account type. And you'll see the option to switch to a personal account. Click that, and this thing will pop up to confirm if you want to switch to your personal account. Just take note that each time you switch back to a personal account, your insights data on Instagram will be erased, okay? Just click this text in red to confirm that you want to switch to a personal account, and that's it. Now you're in your Instagram personal account.